People treat AI like it's magic. You type something, boom, it answers. But the second you ask, how does this even work? Things get quite real fast. So let's fix that. This is the no fluff, real world guide to how AI actually works in 2025. If you're a business owner, a creative, a student, a parent, or literally just curious, this is the video that makes it all click without boring you to death or throwing a bunch of tech jargon in your face. So let's get into it. Here's the easiest way to understand how AI works. Imagine you're at a restaurant. You place an order. That's your prompt. Maybe it's write me a welcome email or explain quantum physics like I'm 5. Your phone doesn't just cook that meal, it sends your order to the kitchen, powerful servers in that cloud that actually runs the AI. That's where the real work happens. The AI model, trained on massive amounts of text and data, looks at your request and tries to predict the best response. Not memorize, predict. Once it's ready, your phone brings it back to you, just like a waiter delivering your plate. So no, your phone is not smart. It's just really good at passing notes to the kitchen. And once you understand that setup, everything else about AI makes way more sense. Which brings us to the next question. If the magic happens somewhere else, where is it? Right now, most AI runs in the cloud. That means giant data centers with specialized chips built to process massive amounts of information at lightning speed. That's why AI tools need internet. They're not actually living on your phone, they're sending your request to the cloud, doing the work, and sending it back. But there's something new happening, and it's big. Local AI. This is AI that runs directly on your device. No internet needed. It's faster for small stuff, more private, and you keep that data on your machine. It sounds great, right? And it is. But here's the real trade-off. Local AI is still catching up. It's not as powerful as cloud AI yet, but it's improving fast. So for now, cloud AI is your best bet. But keep your eye on local. It's not the future, it's near future. Now that we know where AI runs, let's talk about what it holds onto and what it forgets. Here's the truth. Most AI tools have memory issues. Not in a glitchy way, just in a design way. They work inside of a window of context. Kind of like a whiteboard that gets erased as new stuff is added. So if you're chatting with AI and it suddenly forgets what you said 5 minutes ago, it's not ghosting you. It just ran out of space on the board. Some tools are starting to offer long-term memory, where the AI can remember past chats, your name, your vibe, your preferences, but most don't. And even the ones that do are still figuring it out. So for now, treat every chat like a new conversation. Short-term memory only, no long-term commitment. Catch flight, not feelings. Speaking of memory, there's one thing businesses use to make AI even smarter in the moment. APIs are basically secret menus for machines. They let your app or website talk to an AI model and say, hey, I need you to handle this for me. Like, imagine a real estate website that says, tell the user the average home price in their zip code. The AI handles that behind the scenes using an API, and the cool part, you don't need to write a single line of code to use it. Tools like Zapier or Make let you connect AI to your emails, your forms, your content, even your customer support. And once it's plugged in, it runs automatically. So yeah, AI is smart, but it gets way smarter when you connect it to the stuff you already use. Now, you're not just chatting with it, you're deploying it. But the real question is, why should you care about any of this? Let's bring it home. You don't need to know how electricity works to flip on the light, but knowing that a power grid exists helps you use it better. AI is the same. It's not just a chatbot, it's infrastructure. It's a power source that powers your business, your creativity, your workflow, that it can all plug into. The people who win with AI aren't the ones who learn every tool. They're the ones who figure out which parts of their life or business are running in the dark and flip the switch. Emails, content, data, brainstorming, research, sales, support, strategy, it's all in play. And now that you know how it works, I mean really works, you're not guessing anymore. You're not watching the AI wave, you're riding it. If this helped you see the big picture, Share it with someone who still thinks ChatGPT is a cool party trick. If you want more simple, powerful breakdowns just like this, hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram at @PastrellLight. I post the good stuff there before it ever hits YouTube. You're not behind. You're just getting started. Let's go. This is where you win.